Hello and welcome to this unboxing video. Today we're unboxing this Clikon Multipurpose electric chopper. It can be used for multiple things, for ice crushing, meat chopping, vegetable chopping and shredding. As it says in the box, it has a powerful copper motor, 2-speed with pulse control, stainless steel blade and disc, and the capacity is 0.7 liter and the power is 500 watts. And of course it has a 2-year warranty. So let's have a look around the box. Here you can get additional information. The AC current is 220 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz and 500 watts. The net weight is 1.85 kilograms. The gross weight is 2.02 kilograms. The dimensions is 197 times 160 times 384 millimeters. It has 3 speed options: superior performance, stainless steel blade and disc, overheat protection and safety system, ABS plastic material housing, and it says or claims that it has a high efficient motor. Let's have a look here. So these are the included attachments, which we'll have a look at once we open the box. So I guess it's time to open it up from here. Okay, and let's have a look. This is the first attachment. The blade is sharp, so it's protected. Be very careful with this blade. So let's put it back inside here. I don't want to cut myself. And this is another blade also, you can open it up here like that. Another blade. Okay, it's also have protection here so you don't cut yourself, and to protect the blade you have this attachment here. We'll have a look at it soon. And there is this attachment also. This is the top. This will be fitted on the top. Let's open it up and see what comes inside. So this is the product manual. And this is the warranty card. This is the included jack. So you turn it like this and it opens up, and you can remove this attachment, and I think you can remove this also for cleaning. So put this back on. Careful not to cut yourself. And this, and look at this. Let's take that motor out and have a look. This is the motor, and this is the included power cable. It has these suctions here, so you can just hold it in place. And it has pulse 0, 1, 2. And this is the locking mechanism. So let's put this on top, and you will turn it to lock it into place. This part here will go here. Okay, see, now it's locked into place. So this is for chopping and shredding or slicing. This is the slicing side and this is the shredding side. This has to be pressed. This you will lock it here. So now it's locked into place. This should align with the handle. Now it's locked into place. We turn this also like that and open it, and now you can attach the different attachments. This part has always to face upwards. Remove this part here. Okay, just be careful. This part goes over this part, like so. So we will have 2 blades. Okay, this is for the blades. You have two blades, or you have this blade like so, or you have this blade, you insert it here and this will go down. So you either have it on this way or the other way around. So this is how to insert the different attachments and lock into place. Look at it. Let's put this. Let's see with this attachment, and you will have this. Okay, this is how it locks into place, and this is. So these are the attachments come with it. You have this also, and you can close it. Let me open it up again. Just turn it to the side. So this is all that comes in the box. These are all the attachments. This is the jack and this is the motor. This and this are the cutter assemblies. You can assemble them like that. This is the jaw or jack. This is the slicer shredder plate. This is the transparent lid. And this is the push rod. This is the diced basket. And this is the cap cover. And of course, this is the user manual and warranty card. This is all that comes in the box. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.